Hey, welcome. If you love to shop and scan barcodes with your smartphone, then you can get money back. This is Billy Fradys, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use a device, even if you don't have a smartphone, that'll get shipped to you for free. And you can scan barcodes as you're buying stuff and doing the things you love, anyways, like shop, right? Or you can use your own smartphone, and for every time you scan a barcode, you can get paid and get a lot of rewards. So, that being said, before we get into it, definitely hit that subscribe button so you stay tuned for more videos, because I love to share more with our subscribers how you can save money, earn side cash, and even make more passive income. And I'm going to share with you at the end of this video how to make more stable income as well. With that being said, let's get right into it, and I'll show you this one source that will actually, it'll be an app and a website you choose. You can get plugged in and start getting some rewards for just shopping and scanning the barcodes that you buy items of. Okay, so I'm over here at NCP. Okay, so it's ncppanel.com. It's a secure website. You can just go there directly. And what you would do is you can actually come over here where it says become an NCP panel member. You click there, and of course you can also download the app. It's just the NCP app. Okay, so, and very simple, you just put in all your information and you set up yourself a free account. So the way it works is you will actually voice out your opinion of the items that you buy. So what you would do is you access to your exclusive NCP mobile app. You download the app to your smartphone. If you don't have a smartphone, you can request them to send you an actual scanner, and you can do the same task. Okay, then you scan the barcodes of all the items you buy and provide the purchase details, so like a receipt. They make sure that you bought the item. Share your shopping data with NCP so they know that you bought the item, so you can go shopping, scan barcodes, get these gift cards like cash gift cards, and you can go and shop for free, so it's pretty cool. And you also get other rewards, right? Like pretty cool, some pretty cool electronics that you offer. All right, so very simple. So you would join now, and you can also contact them, which is cool, as they do have a phone number and a direct email. So if you have any questions regarding NCP, please contact them. They have a phone number, they have a good support, and they will take care of you. So this is something that I think might only be in the US, since they are only asking for state and zip. But if you are wondering, hey, is this available in my area? Well, you would have to contact them and ask them if your country or area is accepted. Also, once you follow through, you'll get applied, right? You submit an application. So what you can even do is go to the frequently asked questions, which I strongly recommend that you do, and just go through them. Like, does this cost to join? No. What do I do after I sign up? Once you complete the sign up process, we will review your information. If there is an opening on the panel for a household that matches your demographic profile, we will contact you to let you know you've been selected. So you just apply, and if you're selected, they'll reach out to you, and you can participate in this and earn some reward points and earn some side cash. All right. So that is pretty much it. That's another thing you can participate in. So why not save some money just for doing what you're going to do anyways, like shopping, right? So with that being said, I hope you found value in this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really like to see those thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos, and just like I said, I will share with you a great way to make passive income. Now, this app or source that I shared with you, you can save some side money, and that you'd be spending anyways. And if you're looking to make a more passive income and build it up like every single month, this is exactly what I do. So definitely check out my number one source below this video. It's going to be the link under this video on the top of my description. So if you click that link, I'll show you exactly my number one source that's allowing me to make passive, consistent income online. In fact, here's one of my affiliate accounts. I already have like 4,100 earned in this one, and I have some more pending commissions here. And as you can see, I'm doing this, getting good results. So I'm more than happy to share with you my number one source. You can definitely check it out if you're looking to make more passive income. This is what I'm passionate about, and it makes us more than full-time income for myself. So I like to help more people get set up with this as well. This is something that will allow you to quit your job and live life on your terms. You can earn money 24/7 on full automation once you get this set up. And with that being said, this is Billy Fradys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This is my #1 recommended site that you go to on inspiregrowprosper.com. Just click here to watch a free webinar that's being hosted by my mentor, and they'll take you to the webinar link. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.